Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another 4Runner mashup today here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We're going to kick it off today with this nautical blue metallic 4Runner SR5 4x4. This one's going with a BILSTEIN 6112 setup with SPC ball joint upper control arms in the front end with some 5160s in the back with some Old Man Emu lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're doing the Method Bronze MR304s in a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset. We're pairing it up with a set of FALKEN WILDPEAK ATIII tires in a 285/70/17. Have you guys been to our website yet? We're slowly adding products to it. We're having big specials right now on Method race wheels. All Method race wheels have free shipping in the lower 48 contiguous states. Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com and make sure to check back regularly because we will be consistently adding new products weekly. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in Baldwin Park, California, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours. We're open 10 to 5 weekdays and 10 to 4 on Saturday. Or you can always message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. With the BILSTEIN 6112 set at the highest setting with upper control arms for optimal performance, we do get 2 3/4 of an inch of lift. The rear Old Man Emu lift springs gives us 1.5 inches of lift. To keep the factory look but gain a little bit more tire clearance, we did modify the front bumper. We trimmed it slightly and pushed the fender liner forward. With the new lift, wheels, tires, and modifications done, we're going to pull this one out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. With this one complete, we're going to pull the next 4Runner in. We're going to be doing an Eibach Pro Truck coilover system on that one. Here's an Eibach Stage 2 Pro Truck coilover setup. This one right here is adjusted to about 3 inches of lift with some SPC ball joint upper control arms in the front end. And the rear is getting 1-inch lift springs with the rear Eibach shocks as well. We are an authorized stocking dealer for Eibach products, so if you're looking for a setup like this for your 4Runner, make sure to reach out to us anytime. With the new lift installed, we're able to clear some 285/70/17 BFGOODRICH all-terrain KO2 tires on the factory TRD off-road wheels. Next up, we have a 3rd generation Toyota 4Runner. This one's in for a Panhard correction kit from EIMKEITH. The EIMKEITH Panhard correction kit for the 3rd generation 4Runner consists of 2 brackets. The driver's side bracket seen here brings the mounting point higher, and the passenger side bracket brings the mounting point lower so that the Panhard bar sits at a proper angle for optimal performance. Once welded on properly, we hit both of them with a fresh coat of black paint to match the rest of the underbody of the vehicle. But in this case, there's quite a bit of rust on this one, so the paint itself will serve more of a rust prevention purpose for the vehicle. We then remount the Panhard bar and get back some awesome ride quality. Bump steer is reduced and Panhard angle is back to its factory location after the lift. This is a type of modification that's often overlooked but is highly recommended after a lift. We do stock these EIMKEITH PCKs for the FJ Cruiser, 4Runners, and LEXUS GXs. If you're looking to get something like this done to your vehicle, reach out to us anytime to schedule an appointment. Next up, we have a white Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road that's in for a Princeu roof rack. This is the full rack. It goes from the front to the back and there's no drilling required at all. We are a stocking dealer for Princeu design products and always have this rack in stock. We stock both wind deflectors, the standard one and the one with the 40-inch cutout for the light bar. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We work very hard to bring you this content, so it would mean the world to us if you subscribe to the channel. And for those that have been joining us all along, thank you very much for your continued support. This right here is a high clearance bumper cut that we're doing on a silver 4Runner. Some of you noobs may call it the Viper cut, but originally this was the high clearance bumper cut, and that's exactly what it is. Not a snake or anything like that, but hey, if you guys want to call it the Viper cut, go right ahead. If you guys enjoy what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram also. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We post on there frequently throughout the day, both on our IG stories, our feed, and reels. Next up, we have a black Lexus GX 470. This one's in with some big wheels, but we're about to rip it right off of the vehicle. We're going to be installing a BILSTEIN 5100 setup on this one with Old Man Emu lift springs for both front and rear, SBC ball joint upper control arms, and throw on some new wheels and tires. Keep on watching to see what we do. And here it is, Princeu roof rack has been completed. Now you can maximize your storage space by bolting up a bunch of stuff on top of your vehicle. Were you guys aware that the Method MR703s seen here is pretty much the MR305 without the simulated bead lock? A lot of people don't realize that, but the MR703 is part of the Bead Grip series. This right here is a 17 by 8.5 wheel with a 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a 285/7017 TOYO Open Country RT tire. And this right here is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for joining us today, guys. We greatly appreciate it as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell also, that way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.